please
like, subscribe, and share.
Oh, we got the whole gang here. Maybe you can't see, but we got Sydney G and Chubbs back there
Or
too.
Black Dog.
Now, you may be wondering why I'm sitting in the passenger seat of my own car, and that's a very good question. I'm actually wondering that myself right now too. But I'm about to let my 14-year-old sister drive my car. Why? I don't know, okay? We're gonna see how this goes. Don't even know if this will end up on YouTube, but like...
It's going on YouTube.
So this could be really bad.
Alright, Sid.
Let's get a move.
Hold on, wait.
Do you know where the brakes and the gas are?
Yes, my foot is on the brake.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Okay. So, just so everybody knows, we're not on the roads. We are in a parking lot. There are no cars in sight.
It literally, like, yeah. Sydney is not going to be killing anybody.
Okay.
Wait, I need my seatbelt on.
Oh my god. Safety
Safe.
first, kids.
We're not dying today.
Nobody's dying today.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, boy. Gotta turn on my turn signal.
Oh, you gotta wait for all that traffic out there.
Oh, I'm on the brakes.
Ah!
Sorry. I was like, why isn't this thing going?
Stop, do not go in there.
That was awkward.
Oh god.
I can't see. Gonna crash the car.
Please don't.
There we go.
You got it? Okay.
Here comes the car. Where?
I'm just joking, making sure you're paying attention. Can't even see anything out here.
Whoa. Is that a tree? I knew that was a tree.
Okay. Or not. Good. This is really...
Chubbs is terrified back
That was
there,
good.
You know?
Yeah, Chubbs is really scared. You can't even see her. She's black as night.
Is that a cat? Oh no, that's a stump. That looks like a cat.
Oh, good. Okay.
So now we're gonna go into the other parking lot so I can speed.
No. There's literally nobody here.
It smells like
Yeah, there's no one here, but then again, it
Hi.
could be either right now.
Oh my flip. Actually,
I think no, it's weed.
why does it smell like weed in the middle of a parking lot?
Like it's weed. No, it actually is.
Yep.
It's weed.
Holy, what?
Oh, my bad.
Careful.
Sorry.
Poor Chubbs is
It's
back.
like
You're
hitting
flying.
himself against the back.
Oh man.
Oh, there's a whole other parking lot over here.
Really?
I think.
Oh. Oh, have we been over here?
Because I know it's scared.
Update. Sid's not doing so bad. Don't know how that's possible, but you know, it's fine. We're living, right, Chubbs?
Oh, that's the highway.
So, turn away from that.
No, go straight to the highway. Oh, let's drive into that pond.
Yeah!
I think that'd be so good.
Oh my god, it looks icy. Careful. Keep your eyes on the road. Oh, what
Oh,
is
that's
it?
the main exit.
The main entrance? Or the main exit?
Both. Shall we see?
Yeah. No.
Yeah, we'll see.
No. This is a street. So, that was it. Sid survived. She actually drove us around for quite a while in the parking lots, and now we made it to an exit, which happens to be a really busy street. So, I'm gonna take over. Like, subscribe,
And
share.
share.
Bye.